Hey guys, Kyle here. I will walk you through the process of opening an HSBC account in the UK as an international student. So now let's jump right in. First, let's discuss why choose HSBC. HSBC is one of the most student-friendly banks in the UK, especially for international students. They offer HSBC Student Bank Account, which provides a range of features like a £1,000 interest-free overdraft in your first year and access to their global banking network, ideal if you are studying abroad. And now here are the documents you will need. Number one is a valid passport. This will serve as your main form of ID. And then second is UK student visa. And then third would be the proof of university enrollment. This could be your offer letter or a confirmation of your student status. And then number four is proof of address. So this can be a utility bill or a letter from your university residence will work. And then number five would be the proof of overseas address for your address back in your home country. And now here's how you can open an account. Once you have your documents, opening an HSBC account is straightforward. You have two options, online or in branch. So first is the online application. You can go into this website right here. I'll be providing the link in the description so that you can easily go here and open your student bank account. So once you're ready, all you have to do is click here on how to apply and then you'd be prompted right here. So be sure to read and understand all of this before you apply. And then once you are now done, you have confirmed everything. Now you can click here on apply now. So you can just start the application on the HSBC website, fill out your personal details and upload the required documents. Once approved, you'll receive your account details and debit card by mail. And now for the second option, which is the in-branch application. If you prefer a face-to-face interaction, visit a local HSBC branch. Bring all your documents and the bank staff will assist you in setting up your account. The process is usually smooth, and once everything's in order, you'll get your account details on the spot. And now let's talk about the account features of your HSBC student bank account. Number one, interest-free overdraft. Up to £1,000 in your first year, which can increase to £2,000 in your third year. And number two would be mobile banking. You can easily manage your account using the HSBC mobile app. And third would be the global access. Since HSBC is a global bank, it's easy to access your funds, whether you're in the UK or back home. So now, final thoughts. Opening an HSBC account is one of the easiest and most convenient options for international students in the UK. Whether you apply online or in person, the process is hassle-free, and you'll enjoy plenty of student perks along the way. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.